Alright there, I am James Kyber. Welcome back to another video. Today's video will be somewhat a bit different. I'll be opening the Duel Battle City box, which came out a few days ago. I got this on the Black Friday deal. I got £5 knocked off the original price, which is around, I think I got this for £18. And I got 2 booster packs to open. I needed this for the pack art, and I'm trying my luck again with this. Maybe I can pull the raw card. I doubt it. I know I'll go through this a bit more in detail in a bit, but we'll start off with the packs. So hopefully I can open this perfectly without ripping it. There we go. So any secret will be welcomed. So we'll quickly go for that. This is my first pack of this open. Oh, there we go. We got a super rare. I forgot that you don't get rares anymore. Dual Avatar. Melton Blast. I don't know. I forgot all about the rare thing. So, we got this. Right, and then maybe we can make it up with a ghost rare now. So here we go. Hold on legs, brain control, go and be a rare. Add a Lord of the Cosmos. We got a super rare, we got 2 super rares. You don't try, you don't win, do you? So let's get straight into the Duel Battle City box. It's a lot more heavy than it looks because of all the cards in it. So this is the Duel. You got the gods on that side, Dark Edition, Blue Eyes, Kaiba and Yugi in a different position. And this is what you get inside. Contains 8 decks, relive epic duels from Battle City, 3 secret rare Egyptian gods, 5 secret rare upgrades, and 20 skill cards. You're meant to get 200, and doesn't say you get 200 cards. No. So let's open it and see what's inside. I usually don't do speed duel, but this was a nice little box to buy if you're a big Yugioh fan. So there we go. That's how the inside looks. What the inside of that. So you get 4 decks. Some are bigger than others. There's the Dark Edition. These are all commons, by the way. Literally 200 commons, and there's your skill cards. There's our special secret rare pack. And oh, 4 mats. I didn't know that. I'll open one of these mats up. Oh god, it's massive. Didn't expect that, to be honest. So there you go, you got Yugi and Slife, you can't see it in the screen. Yugi and Slife on that side. And on the other side, you got Obelisk and Cab. Oh, sorry. I've knocked it all now. That's terrible. Shouldn't have opened that, should I? There we go. Yeah, you got 4 of them. And yeah, I couldn't close that. So I'm gonna start off with the secret rare pack. Usually people do this at the end. But in case you just wanna, you've seen these before and you just wanna see the pack, you know when to jump out. Look, these cards for these are quite expensive right now. Not the gods, but the other cards. Doesn't have this. I can't see the speed duel word on the god cards. So you got Slife the Sky Dragon, Obelisk the Tormentor, secret rare. So after this, these are the 5 random cards we get, because you get the god cards in every pack. Dark Paladin, quite nice as a secret rare. Jinzo, Always looks good as a secret rare. There's a speed duel word there. Nobleman of Crossout. Come on, give us a yellow. Fire Formation. Come on. And Last Wind. No, I just don't have any luck pulling those 3 classic cards, do I? Didn't get one in the gold box. So I'll open these if I can. I'm going to quickly go through them all. Oh my god, I hate opening this. Usually there's like a little thingy you can pull on. Got no nails to open it with. There we go. Well, I'm happy I got the Jinzo and the Dark Paladin. Where want to finish? I'll quickly go through these cards. So there's a bunch of spells and traps here. Red Eyes, black. All classic Yugioh cards these. Rocket Warrior, Harpy Lady, Cyber Harpy Lady. Skill Blue Musician, but that's not old school. There's meant to be 193 new cards in the Speed Duel sets. Meta Wall. Coffee Knight. So that's a deck, and these are our skill cards. So you got Yugi, Kaiba. It's not a monster, it's a god. It's Jinzo, the Psychic Duelist, Guardian of the Tomb. Yeah, he looks happy, doesn't he? Union, Kaiba 1, Spell of Mask, Musician's Act. Him again, bloody hell, they love him. No More Mrs. Nice Mail. Oh my. I don't know, I thought I said mail. I'm Just Gonna Attack. Rise of the Fallen. Piece of Phantoms. Blah blah. Oh, Taya. Fusion Party. I don't know who these characters are. Digging for Gold. There's like different. Oh, they have a different side to them as well. I don't know much about these skill cards. Sorry, I don't play Speed Duel. Let's go into the next one. I like it, but I try not to get myself into too many different Yugioh things. So like the Rush Duel cards, I probably won't bother with them. Because you know, you start trying to collect too much of Yugioh, then you can't get the stuff you really want. Oh my god! Let's try another one. Here we go. That's got the little there. So I've got for my next videos for December. Come on, it's just stuck to me. 10 now. One of Phantoms. This feels X. Are you meant to make the deck with these cards? I thought they were ready. So yeah, I've got some stuff ready for me December videos. 2 Korean boxes, which I'm going to show at the end of the video. And I've got you get all XYZ pieces, Blue Eyes. This feels like a card deck. And I've got something special for my last video of the year as a celebration from when I started. Masterpiece. So you'll see at the end of the video. I had to give you a sneak peek of what's to come. Nothing truly exciting in these. I'm going to try this one again. No, I'm not. I'll try this one. It's hard to get off your hand, those things. Dark Musician. Buster Blader. Swift Gaia. Skilled Musician. Skilled Red Musician. Bunch of magic and traps now. Dark Paladin. The Magna Warriors. And every card has Speed Duel on it, see it there. There you can see it there. Some of these cards I've not seen before. Like this one, Black Gold. Attack of the Moon. King. Phantom Beast Crosswing. Never seen these ones. Phantom Beast. Seen that one. That card again. Keep seeing that card. There we go. And then it's the one I can't open now. There we go. Come on. Sorry, you gotta watch me struggle to open this. I've ripped a bit in. Here we go. Then it's hard to open a Korean pack, this. Sorry, I keep knocking the camera. Here we go, did it. Don't think I'm ever gonna open that pack. Hopefully it was worth it. More trap cards. More of these other cards now. Angel 07. You don't get darkness and gas range though. We did get darkness, yeah we did. And then there we go, that's all the cards you get in this box. I would have preferred some of the normal cards. I forget what they are now. Blue Eyes, Dark Magician and Red Eyes. Plus the Blade, I think he's one of them as well. I'm quite happy I got those two. Jinzo and Dark Paladin. Let me just check. See if you can see it. Yeah, it's there, Speedo. So, thank you for watching. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come. So, next week, or maybe later this week, I'll throw up the videos for these. Yugi, Yami, Yugi and Yugi boxes, which are Korean. There's 15 packs per box, and you get 3 commons, 2 Millennium Rares and 2 Secret Rares. This one will be open up first, and then this one will come next. And then in a few more weeks after them are done, I started my Yugioh videos on the Megatons, so I'm going to end it on the Megatons. So I have brought, because of the Black Friday deals, I got about £7 knocked off this. So I've got 3 more of these to open. The 10 of Loss promo cards. So I'll end this year on these. Oh, you just see me then, didn't you? Damn. So yeah, that's what you got to look forward to the end. And we'll do a Christmassy theme, whatever. See when we get there. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. And we can pull another Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. That'll be great. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for struggling so much. And I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.